Today we explore what's left of this mid-1800s train station. I was unable to find an exact date of when it became abandoned. Come with us as we adventure in. Alright, we're live. A lot of trash.
What a shock. Somebody has trashed the place.
The videos I've seen before, there's no trash. Man, it's cold in this. It's cold in here than it was outside.
I don't know if this thing's recording or not. In that room. It's wood in this room.
If you fall, you won't go too far, will you? You want me to go first? Yeah, I guess so.
Did they board passengers here?
Yeah, I think
well, this is where they would wait.
You think so? It probably is, actually.
I mean, they probably would have had place to buy tickets and you board right there.
Well, the glass door over here is where I thought that they would, people would get tickets and stuff. Well, yeah, look at the writing here on the, I don't have a flashlight, but they said this is like old graffiti. Look right here, 6605. And they said that was probably from 1905. So I looked up stuff about this train station and it said that it was built, I think it said 1874. It's pretty old. Wasn't much in it though. Just basically 3 rooms. So I guess now we might see if we can find something else to look at. It's a pretty cool place though. It's pretty old. Alrighty guys, we're at an old house. It's actually built right next to a landfill. Like it's on the same property as the landfill. And yeah, it's been abandoned for quite some time. It's an older house. We're not 100% sure on the year. But let's go look inside. I think it's huge. Oh yeah, focusing. Any cats in here? Justin? How'd you get in? Is it really? I'll just go in this way. I was about to say there's somebody in there.
There's a door over here that's not even locked.
Is it really? I'm just gonna come in through the window because I'm already right here. Yeah, the stairs is it? Where are you at?
Oh, there's 2 doorways.
Yeah. I'm just gonna make sure I'm stepping on solid stuff. Dang, this is a big house. This is bigger than I thought. Look at the tub. The tub doesn't look that old.
Well, of course, if it's been a rental house forever,
They probably renovated it a little.
they do all kinds of crap here in the back.
Little room under the steps.
This is still nicer than my house.
Nicer than my house. I kind of want to see like.
Yeah, you tell them cats up here.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even see that.
How you didn't step in?
You're in my shot. I don't want to go over there by myself and open that door. Look how creepy that thing looks. That's like the door from Nightmares.
I'm sure.
The door's moving, but I think it's the breeze blowing it. Because I feel a breeze blowing through the room, so.
That's probably a ghost.
It's wobbling back and forth. There's the landfill. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know this is kind of like a two-part thing where we got the old house back here and we done the train station also. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I guess I'll see you next time.